Here we go. Evening, guys. I have my trusted coffee, Brizy, my trusted Brizy mug. Welcome to rainy Bucharest these days. As it happens, it's rained a lot here in the past few days. Let's see the chat. Hank, hello. Kuda, Hank, Miguel, Sherman. Let's get ready to rumble. Yeah, Sherman, let's get ready to rumble. Ivan, hi guys. Angel. Yeah, I have my coffee here. I also have my name on the other side in case I forget it. So I always take a second glance to remember it. Coffee. Yes, coffee, because it's 9 p.m. here in Bucharest. So I need to be awake and full of energy. Let's give it 2-3 minutes more. So Arvin, Carl, Sam, hey guys. Chris, David from Toronto. Hey, David. Love the sweater. Yeah. Thanks. Hank, hello from Webmaster Society, California. Hello, Frank. Welcome to our white label Brizy Cloud webinar. I prepared some nice showcase for you tonight. You'll see. I think you'll love it. This is exciting. Yes, it is. Hey. Hello. Hey, Dan, Miguel, Ivan, Toby. Okay. Let's get the party started, right? Let me share a nice presentation I've prepared for you guys. And it's a new one. If you've been with us before, we had some changes, a nice refresh on our website, and we've touched up the logo a bit, and I've adapted and updated our presentation. So tonight we'll talk about Brizy Cloud. We've said here your white label website builder platform, and I hope I'll convince you tonight that this is the only platform to use if you want a website builder and white labeled as well. So the session goals for tonight, I'll show you 2 ways how you can brand Brizy Cloud as your own. I'll showcase the white label options in a nice short video. We'll talk about the process of setting up your white label Brizy account, and before we go, at the end, I'll tell you about the deals and offers we have for Brizy Cloud white label agency plan. This session will be 45 to 60 minutes. Depends on the Q&A session, actually, live Q&A. Depends on the questions you guys will have. So please put the questions there in the chat. I have Bogdan. You can't see him, but he's here with me. He's helping me with the questions. Of course, no tech support in this webinar. Please go on the links on our support and on our website, or email on support@brizy.io. My colleagues will love to help you. This is me. I'm Dimi. Half of me, at least. I'm the co-founder here at Brizy. You have my email here, dimi@brizy.io. If you want to email me for Brizy related stuff, partnerships, feedback, if you're angry with Brizy, something doesn't work, for example, email me. We'll sort it out. I always try to get back and reply to all my emails, sometimes with a bit of delay, but please use this email to reach me. So 2 ways you can brand Brizy Cloud as your own. And we'll start with the enterprise reseller program. This is the bigger program that we have. It's best if you want to resell Brizy Cloud as a SaaS website builder platform. It's also great for a system-to-system integration. For example, if you already own a product like SaaS or another product that needs more custom Brizy Cloud solution integrations, we are here for you. And this would be the enterprise slash reseller program that you will be interested in. In this plan, the end user or client creates the websites for himself. So basically, he pays for the website builder, for your website builder, and he creates the website for himself. He owns an account in your website builders. And if you are not one of our enterprise partners that handle payments and invoices for their clients, we can offer this for you. So basically, we'll process payments, invoices, and our partner will also handle the taxes for your clients, and it will be all white label. So it's pretty cool. More information on this solution you can find on our website. Up top in the menu, you'll find the solutions menu, and there we have solution for resellers. So go there, read about it. You have all the tools there to reach us, and we'll get back with more information and answers to your question, proposals, and things like that. The second way to brand Brizy Cloud as your own is to purchase an agency plan. We've recently introduced an agency plan in Brizy Cloud, and this plan is best used for by designers, freelancers, or web design agencies that are working with clients one-on-one. So basically, the designer, freelancer, or the web agency is creating the projects for the client, and you own the account in Brizy Cloud, and you invite your clients in your Brizy account as a team member, and they will be invited in a workspace that will be, of course, white labeled. With this plan, we don't process payments. We don't offer that option. So basically, if you are a web design agency already, you'll handle that yourself. The billing, the payments, and everything will be handled by you outside of Brizy Cloud. You can go on our website and find out more about this agency plan we've recently launched. And if you are wondering what would be the best solution for you, I've put this nice slide here. So you would go for the agency plan if you're an agency, of course, a designer or a developer, or if you are working with clients one-on-one, right? You'll give clients access to their workspaces in your account. And of course, we can you'll handle billing here and payments outside of Brizy Cloud. And the other option is the enterprise or the reseller program. In this plan, the end users will create the websites themselves. This is great if you want to resell SaaS website builder, or again, it's great if you are an enterprise customer or partner, maybe a hosting company or a SaaS business that is in need of a white label website builder. This is great. And of course, here we can handle the billing and payments in a white label fashion if you need it. Right, let's move on. White label options showcase. This is a short pre-recorded video. I'll start playing it right now. It's about 5 minutes or so, and then we'll go to the Q&A session. I bet you guys have a couple of questions. Yeah, let me just start this video. I'll kindly ask you to put the questions in the chat, and also let me know if the video plays as it should. Here's our recently launched website. It's entirely built in Brizy Cloud. I encourage you to take it for a spin. It's pretty cool. What I want to show you here on the pricing page, if you'll go on Brizy Cloud tab, you'll notice that we have a new plan called Agency. We actually have a limited time offer for the next 43 days. It's an introductory price that comes with 25% off recurringly. So basically, you'll if you get this introductory price agency plan, you'll get it for 25% less each year. It comes with 100 hosted sites on your domain and all the bells and whistles from our Brizy Cloud platform. The most important part here are the white label options. These options will let you brand the Brizy Cloud dashboard and builder as your own. Before I start showcasing an actual implementation of a white label agency plan, let me show you the standard Brizy Cloud dashboard so we can easily see the differences. Here we are in a Brizy Cloud dashboard. We can easily see that the Brizy Cloud domain is here at the top, so you access this on brizy.cloud. We also have the Brizy logo here, and on the right hand side at the top we have all sorts of links that point to Brizy, support links, change logs, and things like that. Now let's jump to an actual white label implementation and see the differences. Here we are in a white label implementation. We can easily see that the domain changed. So basically we'll mask all the Brizy Cloud domains with your own. In this case, SiteFlex, it's the name of the business. Also we have the branding here, custom branding. And on the right side, you'll notice that some of the links that point to Brizy disappeared, and also we left only the links that point to your website. So support will point to your website. We also have profile changes here. Of course, all white label. Let me also show you the builder. The builder is very lightly branded with Brizy, so we don't have logos or things like that. But what we do have, and we'll change this with your links, we do have two links, an About Us link and a support link. So as you can see here at the bottom, the About Us points to your custom domain /about, but it can be any link. We'll put that custom link there, and the support as well. So basically your clients will never see Brizy. They will see your branding, they will access your website builder. Of course, the code is white labeled as well, so basically if you look into the code of your websites, you will not see Brizy anywhere. And last but not least, what I want to show you are the white label notifications. So basically when you invite your clients or your team members to work together on projects, you'll do it from here. And these notifications will be white labeled as well. So basically we'll mask those notifications to be sent from your email. Let me check my email. Look, so it already came in. SiteFlex Pro is inviting you to collaborate in a project, right? So basically all the notifications and the communication from the system to your clients will be white labeled as well. So they will the emails will come from your emails. That was it. Pretty short, but very concise. You saw the branding changing, and everything is white labeled from the domain. We'll mask everything, the domain, and we'll put logos, links to your website for the support and for the about links, and also all the notifications will be white labeled. So all the communication from the system will appear to be to come from your emails. So let's go to the Q&A section. We have some questions here. Miguel asks, what would happen to the section that includes made with Brizy on the templates? Would that be removed, or it can show our company name there? Miguel, we don't have made with Brizy. I know that there were some issues in a couple of templates in the footer. From our last update, last batch of designs had a couple of issues, but to my knowledge, those were already solved. So you should not see Made with Brizy anywhere. If you do, give me an email on dimi@brizy.io and we'll fix that right away. So those should be white labeled 100%. Jay says, really need multiple users. We are restricted to one person work at a time. Yes, Jay, that is correct. Right now, you can work on multiple projects with multiple people, but because of the how the global conditions and global styling works in Brizy Cloud right now, we basically created this restriction to not let you mess everything up, right? So, but we have this on the list to find a better way to let you work together with your team on the same pages, on the same project. Anthony, can we handle our own billing in enterprise also? Yes, of course, Anthony. It depends how you have everything set up. For example, we are working with a couple of our partners. I can't name names yet. They have a SaaS a learning system, and they will integrate Brizy Cloud white label for them. We'll help them integrate that. We have single sign-on APIs already created. So basically, you can pass through this API your login information from your users, from your system. So basically, they will not need the accounts on our side. You'll log in them automatically, and you'll process billing the same way you do it in your system, right? So yes, that is a yes for the billing in enterprise. Robert, reseller, says this is a business-to-business relationship. Are we going to get a contract that can potentially protect? Yeah, for sure, Robert. There is an agreement. We're not just reselling Brizy, but we're building our own brand. Yeah, I agree. For sure. You can sign. You'll sign an agreement with us. Hank, in agency plan, can clients get support directly from Brizy? Hank, no. That's a bit an odd question, and I'll tell you why. It's an odd question because if you're going for the agency plan in Brizy Cloud, you'll most likely go and get it for that for a white label, right? So basically, if you have a white label tool, you want to hide Brizy from your clients, right? So if we do support for them, they'll know that it's Brizy behind the whole deal, right? So it kind of bumps head to head. No, you'll do the support for your clients, but I'll tell you what, we are working right now, and we have this. We've been planning for this for a while, and we've started working on a couple of. We'll have white label documentation for Brizy Cloud. I think it's around 50 or 60 articles. We've made the list already and started to work on some. It will take a while longer, a minute, to get it done. But when that will be done, you'll get access to it. So basically, you'll have 60 white label articles for Brizy Cloud, for your website builder cloud, that you can use to create a documentation, and you'll use that to help you with the documentation. And of course, you'll get access to that free of charge as part of your agency purchase. Jennifer, if you are a lifetime license owner and opted for the 99-year cloud hosting that kicks in after the 2-3 years, that's right. How do you upgrade? Do you get some sort of discount, since there was supposed to be a discount for? Yes, you have. And one of the offers or discounts that I want to tell you about, if you stick till the end, you'll find out, and it's a great discount for all our lifetime customers. I think you'll love it. It's a huge discount. How is this agency enterprise different from WAS multi-site? Well, Av, I hope I didn't butcher your two-letter name. first of all, we are talking about Brizy Cloud tonight. So WAS, by definition, is WordPress or website as a service, but it refers to our program that is related to the WordPress part, not to Brizy Cloud. But I can talk a bit around this, because I've also got an email just today about this. Not sure if from you, but I'll reply to that as well. Actually, Brizy Cloud Reseller, for example, might be a great solution, a great replacement, or a great alternative for a WAS multi-site. Because in Brizy Cloud Reseller, we process payments. You can set up prices. We process everything, so everything is white label. You will not have the pains that I presume might be in WordPress multi-site, with the setup, with setting plans, with payments and things like that. So maybe take a look at our reseller program, and it might be something that, if you already have a setup and you know what you're doing in WAS, WordPress Brizy is perfectly fine for you. But that is WordPress. It's kind of a Brizy Cloud Reseller, but in WordPress. So basically, these are the main differences. Rainer, is there a list for the additional features that the agency plan and the reseller plan offer? I already have purchased Brizy Cloud for 9 hosted domains with WordPress lifetime deal so far. Or a comparison? Yeah, sure. With this new website that we recently launched, go on Brizy.io. It's very cool. We're very proud of it. Everything is built on Brizy Cloud 100%. It's pretty nice. We love it. I hope you will too. If you go there, you'll see that we've structured the information very, very carefully and very comprehensively. And you'll find on the pricing page, for example, if you scroll a bit, you'll find a very detailed comparison with all the features included: publishing options, design, integrations. All the things are there. Go to Brizy.io on the pricing page and you'll find it. Jonathan, will the white label accounts have a unique IP address? That's a very interesting question, Jonathan. No, from the top of my mind, no, they will not. I'm not sure how you'll use this. Maybe you can tell us a bit more about this, or if we don't have time tonight, just shoot me an email on dimi@brizy.io and explain a bit more. Paul, when will the project backup capability be available? Just being able to save a page is not sufficient for our agency, and we need the ability to schedule regular backups, since clients sometimes do stupid things. I agree, Paul. Clients sometimes, yes, do stupid things. Project backup capability, when will it be available? Well, I hate to break it to you, but it is available right now. So what we are doing and our setup, the only thing that you don't have right now, but you will in the future, is controlling that process of backup, right? But the backups are happening daily. So if something happens with one of your projects or your client's projects, until we bring that control in your hands, you just reach out to us and we'll sort it out for you with no problems. All the backups are happening automatically on our side. Adrian. Do team members and clients see the active projects dashboard? Active project. I'm not sure what active means exactly in this context, but I'll tell you what they see. So team members in general, that include clients as well. So the team member functionality is built around the workspaces. The team members functionality is not built around the project. So for example, if you create a project in Brizy Cloud, you don't invite a designer or a viewer or a client or a manager. You don't invite it to see that specific project. you will invite it to see the whole workspace. So basically, all the projects in that workspace, in that sub account, we've called them in the past workspaces now. So they can see all the projects in that workspace. And what you'll want to do most likely is create a workspace for each client. So for example, if you are working with 3 clients, you'll have 3 workspaces named by their brand, for example, and you'll invite them in their specific workspace, and they'll see only the projects created for them. And but the workspaces are encapsulated; they don't go from one to the other. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. From Dell. 1, can we use subdomain for the Brizy Builder white label? I'm not sure on which subdomain you are referring, but I'll cover all the subdomains you can use. The answer is yes, you can use subdomains. You can custom link subdomains from a custom domain with your project. So for example, if you have a client client 1, let's say this is client 1, and you want to put that that project, link it with a subdomain, you can link it with I don't know, example.client1.com, for example, and that project will be linked with your client's domain, but on a subdomain. This is the basic publishing option we have in Brizy Cloud. If you go on our support, you'll find out exactly how to do it step by step. But also in the white label, you'll also have a main domain that will mask all your unlimited all your unlimited projects. So basically, all the projects you'll create in your white label, they will be published by default on your subdomain. So for example, in the process of white labeling, we'll ask you for 2 domains. One of the domain will be the domain that masks the dashboard and the builder, and the second domain will be the one that is used for publishing the project. So all the projects there will be published on subdomains on that second domain you'll give us. I hope this answers your question. Yes, I really need to know when will be able to transfer my websites under an annual Brizy Cloud plan to the new agency plan. You can't. I've talked about this actually with my colleague Alex today. The automatic he has this on the list to create an automatic way from your account to let you click a button and upgrade to the new agency plan. That is not there yet. He has this on the list. I think maybe in the next couple of days. I don't want to put a date on it because I'm not sure. But if you are in a hurry to go on the new agency plan, you just reach us, send us an email. You can send it to me or to Alex at Brizy.io or to me, Dimi at Brizy.io, and I'll forward it to him. He can help you with a custom upgrade link, so to speak. So you will not be able to do it automatically from your account, but we can hook you up and we'll sort that for you. If one of my agency clients wants to move their site back to Brizy for some reason and pay for your service, can that be done? Yes, of course, Hank, that can be done. Actually, my colleague from Cloud, Andrei, was handling that just the other day. We've created a way to move projects from one account to the other. The only requirement, you can't control this from your side, and it's better you don't control it. Let us do it because my colleagues know exactly what needs to be done there. So we will not mess anything for you. The only requirement here is to have all the projects you want to be moved in a single workspace. So basically, if you want have on your account, you have a bunch of projects in different workspaces. you can use the move functionality you have already there to move the projects in a sub account. You'll give us an email, tell us, look, this is the sub account I have all my projects in. I want them moved on whatever account, and we'll do that for you with no problem. So it's the moving part is only one email away. Send us an email and we'll help you. Is this single sign-on plugin feature available for the legacy WAS as well? Well, I think Alv, your understanding of this is a bit skewed. I'm sorry for this. The single sign-on is referring strictly to Brizy Cloud, not the WAS program that we have. The WAS is only for WordPress. So, but no, we are not offering. They are totally separated. It's this is also called in the business also called multipass API. So basically, you'll be able to pass in login information from one system to another, and this is only available for Brizy Cloud and for enterprise clients that are looking for a deeper system-to-system integration rather than more casual, maybe reseller option. Alberto Torres. I have actually the 99 Brizy Pro Studio. How much I need to pay for upgrade to get this white label on agency? And obviously, if I have the unlimited site or not, if I upgrade. This is a great question, Alberto. Basically, what you need to pay is the difference, right? You've already paid 99, and you need to pay the difference between the studio plan that you've purchased and the agency plan. The only catch here is that we can't upgrade you automatically right now. You'll give us an email and we'll set it up for you. I've touched on this a bit earlier. My colleague Alex has this on his to-do list for the next I don't know, days, week, 2 weeks, something like this. So you'll have that button there to upgrade automatically in your account, but right now it's not there. Send us an email, we'll make it happen for you. And the second question before I go on, and obviously if I will have the unlimited site, because your plan contained unlimited, there are two things here. An upgrade means that the plan you had goes away, right? Because you pay the difference to go to a higher priced plan, to a new plan. So basically, your studio plan will disappear from your account when you upgrade. This is a given because this is how upgrades work, right? But on the second thing here, and this is very important, all the agency plans we set up white label for needs to be on a separate account. So basically, when you purchase the agency plan, it doesn't matter where you do it. You can do it in your already created Brizy account. But one of the first steps in the process is us moving that plan on a new account. There are some technical considerations here on how we set up and how we mask the domains and the name servers and all the setup we do on our site, because the white labeling on Brizy Cloud is done by us manually for each and every agency plan customer. Actually, we have a huge volume. We are discussing now ways to automate part of the process because it's taking us a bit long to do a bigger volume in a short period of time. So some of you are now waiting to get implemented, but this process right now it happens manually by us. Once you purchase an agency plan, you receive an automatic email with the information we require, logos, domain names. Everything is explained in that email step by step. And you'll give us that information. Then we get back to you, start the onboarding process. It's a process that takes a couple of days. now it takes more days than we would like, but it takes a couple of days to get onboarded and get you on white label version. But that needs to happen on a new plan that will have, of course, being agency. You saw on our website, or you'll see the agency plan has 100 websites included in the plan. So I hope that long answer touches on your question as well. Al Silva, what's the white label monthly in US dollars? Does the white label include trials or free websites options for our clients? For example, client.mydomain.com. The white label monthly in US dollar is it depends. You'll see it depends because we have two discounts. We've introduced an introductory price basically with this agency plan that is 25% off recurringly. So basically each year you'll get that 25% off. I think that's $39 per month if I'm not mistaken, but go on our website and you'll see everything there. And we also have a special discount only for our lifetime customers. That is a very big discount that I want to reveal at the end of the webinar. So stick here by the end to find it out if you're a lifetime customer. So yeah, you get that introductory price if you purchase one of our the Agency Cloud white label plan. And yes, you get 100 websites in this agency plan. And unlimited websites for your on your domain. So basically, you'll have client1.yourdomain.com, 2, 3, client 4, client 1000.yourdomain.com. So basically, you'll be able to create as many projects as you want, but publish them on your domain that is linked with your white label integration, similar to how we publish, for example, websites on Brizy.site, right? Right now in Brizy Cloud, you can choose to publish websites on your custom domain, which is perfectly fine, and it will count as a domain from your plan, from your pro plan. But if you want, you can create unlimited projects and publish them on Brizy, on a subdomain on Brizy.site. So basically, it will be the same on your white label implementation. Sam, can you set up two-factor authentication with Google for Brizy Cloud for owners and clients in the future? Sam, right now you can't set up two-factor authentication, but no, right now you can't. But this is a good idea. I'll note it down. I think, guys, I think I've heard the discussion between my colleagues about this in the past. So two-factor authentication. Right now, just to touch on this login thing. Right now, we don't have client login from the front end. But we'll do in the near future. I know that this functionality, user login, this functionality, I've seen a beta and it looks very cool. I'm sure you guys will appreciate it, and that will mesh up very nice with our membership functionality in Brizy Cloud that will come, and all sorts of things. So we're pretty excited about that, but that's besides the point. I've gone off the rails a bit. Caesar, will you be able to manage discounts, pricing, and coloring fonts yourself in Reseller plan? Caesar, right now we don't have that functionality built in. We don't have that functionality built in right now for colors, fonts, and things like that in the builder. But we have that on the list. We'll for certain create that at some point in the future, because we understand that this is important for you guys to not only brand with your logo, but also put your print on it in terms of colors and fonts and things like that. So that will definitely come at some point in the future. And as for the discounts, if you choose to if you choose the reseller part, so basically, if you choose us to process the payments for you, yes, we have that. We have that functionality. You can't control it on your side, but we can on ours. So it's just a matter of look. This partnership will be something that will be will have a very close partnership. We'll onboard you manually. We'll discuss over email. Because of this kind of relationship, it will be very easy for you to just give us an email and say and discuss a discount batch, a promotion, and we'll just create that for you in the system. It's very easy to do on our side, and we'll help you with that if the need arises, of course. Will support answer us faster than the 24 hours for resellers of Brizy Cloud? Yes, we have a VIP part of the support, and you'll get a priority, basically, a priority support on your questions on the agency plan and on the reseller side for sure. Michael, if the price is set, I said it today, a group of clients sign up, but 6 months later I change the price for another group of clients. Does it mean all clients will be affected by the new price? No, Michael, it will not mean that, because when you set up a price, that price will basically set up a recurring active subscription on your client's credit card, PayPal account, whatever payment option they choose, right? When they do that payment, they set that active subscription. And when you change payments, when you change your pricings, those already active subscriptions will not be affected. So basically, only new clients will go on the new plans with the new prices. Of course, you are referring this here to the reseller license, because if we are talking of a deeper system-to-system enterprise integration, that will not be the case, because you'll manage discounts and on your side. Rajesh, if we change to agency plan from freelancer plan, shall we get the same discount? Yes, of course, you'll get the same introductory price discount, Rajesh, if you go from the agency plan to the from the freelancer plan to the agency plan. You'll get the same introductory discount. This is a limited time offer discount. This 25% off. I'll touch on this a bit later at the end. Glory, will we need to register 2 separate domains to implement Brizy Cloud Agency white label? For example, siteflexagency.com for the main site and siteflex.site for the free hosted sites on subdomains. Glory, that is perfectly 100% correct. So you'll need 2 domains. Let's go through the process once more. What you'll do, you'll purchase let's say you'll purchase the agency white label plan, right? You'll get an email with everything we need. This is the first step is for you to purchase it. The second step, you'll get our first onboarding email. This happens automatically. You'll get it, and in that email, we'll ask you for every last bit of information. Don't be overwhelmed by it. There are, I think, if I'm not mistaken, nine things we ask for you. We ask for from email address. We ask for one domain, exactly like you said, one domain for the main site, for the dashboard and the builder. So basically, your client will access the SiteFlex agency builder will on that domain, the dashboard and the builder, and also we'll ask for a SiteFlex site. That is the free hosted sites on subdomains that we'll need. These 2 domains are very important because we'll use them to mask Brizy Cloud behind them, right? So you'll need to own these domains. You can't give us, I don't know, google.com and yahoo.com or something like that. So these domains need to be owned by you, because in a later step, after you give us all the information, our colleagues do their magic, and after that we'll come back to you and ask you to modify some named domain name server records on the register side. So basically, you need to input some information there in order for that masking to actually happen. So this is the process. You'll change those domain names, and depending on the propagation time, I think 1-2 days, something like that, your white label will come to life. Steven, 1, I already signed up for the agency. Can I convert it to the enterprise plan? And 2, what is the progress on the funnels features? Steven, first of all, let me start with with an apology. Thanks for your business. First of all, thanks for your business and for joining our agency cloud family. Second, thanks for your patience and understanding. It takes a couple of days to onboard you. We have a huge volume right now. So I'm expecting we'll go to the next step in I think over the weekend maybe or early next week. So wait for our email. Then let's go to your questions. Can I convert to the enterprise plan? For sure. If you want to, I'll send me an email on dimi@brizy.io, or actually you can go on our reseller page on the website, and there is a form there. You just fill it in, and you'll get into our inboxes. My colleague Niels will get in touch with you, and you'll discuss potential integrations if you need a custom solution. So this enterprise reseller requires a bit more finesse, a bit more discussions to understand your needs and to see what's the best way to go forward to solve those needs. So yes, you can upgrade. Send us an email and we'll start discussing. What is the progress on the funnels feature? The funnels are still on the list, and they will be there. I've received this question a lot lately. We've been working hard to improve and to fix a lot of things, to bring in more functionality. Funnels will be there as well, but they will still need some time. So I am thinking next year. So you guys still need to be a bit more patient with that. What I can promise you, as with everything we've released and we are doing in Brizy Cloud, everything will be the Brizy way, will be something you'll love to use. It will be easy to use, and it will make sense in the context of the Brizy Builder and Brizy Cloud. But you still need to have a bit more patience on that. Mohammed, are there plans for add-on sites? And when the language feature comes out in the Brizy Cloud and Brizy WordPress, are there plans for add-on sites? I'm sorry, I'm not sure exactly what you mean by add-on sites, Mohan. Well, maybe you can tell us more about what this means, add-on site. And when the language switcher comes out in the Brizy Cloud, multi-language functionality is in the works right now. I think my colleagues already made some steps. We'll have multi-language in Brizy Cloud. First, it will be a multi-language on the front end. So basically, you'll be able to create multilingual websites on the front end. So your end users will be able to switch between multiple language on the front end. I think I said front end 5 times already. Okay. But we are also have on our list the multi-language for the backend as well. So in Brizy Cloud, we'll have multi-language in the dashboard and also in the builder. I know that this is a question that our partners and mostly our resellers and enterprise partners are asking. So we've put that on the list, and we'll put some coals on the fire there. So that will be as well. Carl, can agency clients create their own projects? Of course, Carl. On the agency plan, it's very simple. You have your account, the main agency account. You'll create workspaces for each client. This is a basic functionality in Brizy Cloud. You just create a new workspace for each client, and in that workspace you can invite your clients and give them a role, right? Because we have role functionality as well, and based on what role you give your clients, they'll have certain limitations to what they can do in the builder. They can only modify content in the builder, or they can create projects, or they can publish projects. So basically what you can do is very simple. You can invite your client and give him the role of manager. The role of manager can do everything basically in that workspace. The manager role has limitations only on the main account, so he can't change password or delete your account or things like that. But if you invite your client as a manager, he can create account projects, he can edit them, he can publish them. You'll put the power in their hands basically. Shane, will we be able to use Cloudflare proxies in the future? Shane, this is a very good question. Cloudflare works in a way that is not, I want to use detrimental, but it's not detrimental. This is how they work, right? It is what it is. The problem with Cloudflare is that they point to their IP. This is the problem, and the request doesn't end up to point to our server. So that's why projects created in Brizy Cloud right now at this point can't be a project that or domains that use Cloudflare. You'll need to sidestep Cloudflare for your cloud projects to work. For now, we have this on our list, and we'll see if something can be done in the future. Willa, do our clients able to create account with password that leads to sub-account project workspace? Yes, of course. Willa, how this will happen is like this. You'll get your white label agency plan, and when you invite as a team member, your client in a workspace, an email will be sent from your email to them, and they'll be invited. When they click Get Started, if they don't have an account in your builder, in your agency, they'll need an account, right? They'll need an account to be able to log in and collaborate. But that account process creation, the account creation, the password reset, everything there is white label. So basically, if they don't have an account, they'll just create it. They'll get all the notification, the welcome messages, everything will be from you. So it will be welcome to Willa Builder. Get started here, log into your account, whatever, reset password, whatever. And they'll be able to log in with the Willa account username and password. And sure, they'll have their own login information. Arvin, will you put two-factor authentication for security purposes in the future? Arvin, yes, we have what we have right now. We have I'm not sure. I think we don't have two-factor authentication right now, but for sure we'll consider this in the future. I have this already. I see it. I have it on my list, and I think I've already heard a conversation from my colleagues about this. So most likely we'll have that. Jonathan will be able to assist specific layout sets to specific client work areas for that client specific business genre. Two more specifics. Let me try again. Will we be able to assign specific layout sets to specific client work areas for that client specific business genre? Or would it be better to order a separate agency plan for each genre? No, you're not. You can't control right now the design that is there to remove it or to put something else there. You can't do that. But I was thinking if the duplicate functionality we have on our list that has a very interesting and great, cool twist will help you with this. What we have on our list and will create in the near future, I think. Maybe early next year. I'm not sure. I'll need to check with Sergio about this. but we have it on the list. It will be a duplicate or a clone functionality that will let you, for example, to create a project. And it can be a project with headers and footers and everything you have created there, a complete website project. And you'll have the options to basically share it, to turn on a sharing feature that will generate a link for you. And when you put that link on, you give it to your clients or you put it on the web, whatever, someone can click that link and can start from that project. So basically, it will be a clone functionality that will let anyone to start duplicating your project and starts from that project. So it's pretty cool. We'll see how that will pan out, but I think this will help you in creating specific projects, designs, put them on your website, for example, showcasing them to your clients, and put that link there on a button, say start from this website. And when they click that, they'll go to your white label implementation with that project already installed, already duplicated in their account. So I think this will help better rather than purchasing multiple agency plans. Of course, we don't mind if you want to support us, but it will not be that elegant solution to purchase multiple plans for different designs. Toby, what about multi-language? Toby, I think I've covered this. We are actively working right now on multi-language on the front end. This will be available and it will be through Google's API and will translate everything automatically. It will be something really cool. I can't wait to show it to you. And we'll also have multi-language in the dashboard and builder in cloud as well. We already have this in WordPress, but we'll create that functionality there as well. So you'll be able to, if you white label your, for example, you're from Germany or you're from another country, you'll be able to show the dashboard and the builder in your native language to your customers in the future, of course. From Dell, any plans for Brizy Cloud e-commerce? Of course, I'm not sure you're up to speed from Dell. We are already working on this. I think the guys already put around 6 to 8 months in this e-commerce functionality already. It's tough not to crack, in the sense that e-commerce is not a presentation website, right? It's not 2-3 blocks there. It's a complex functionality that needs time in the cooker to do it right, and especially with Brizy Cloud, where we reinvented some wheels there in terms of UI, in terms of ease of use along the time. So we are trying to do justice to Brizy Cloud e-commerce as well. That is in the works. It will come probably next year. We'll see. Pablo, I don't understand. No front-end client. What does it mean? Are clients not able to purchase the cloud directly by themselves with the reseller plan? No front-end client. I'm sorry, Pablo. I don't understand your question. Please email this to me, and I'll try to answer it on email. Explain it a bit more. Are clients not able to purchase the cloud directly by themselves with the reseller plan? Of course they are, for sure. With the reseller plan, if you choose us as your billing partner, you'll set up the pricing monthly and yearly, and we'll get back to you with the purchasing links, with everything you need to know to put on your website to resell Brizy Cloud white label, and your clients will just click that, purchase the product, your website builder, and they'll have login information. Everything will be a white label for them. Jennifer, could one feasibly switch business models from the agency to reseller if needed down the road? I guess you wanted to say down the road. Yes. Could one feasibly switch business models from an agency to reseller? Yeah, I think it's doable. I can't tell you 100% right now because I don't want this on video. Our fans tend to give me links, specific links. Look, you said here that it is doable. It's doable. I think it's doable. I need to check with my colleague Alex about this. But I think it is doable because the process of white labeling for reseller, enterprise, or agency is basically kind of the same, right? Because we'll still ask you for the domains, for the logo, for all that information. You'll still need to provide that, no matter what option you choose for your white labeling. But the agency will not have those pricing parts in the onboarding process. But I think we can solve that for you if I'm not mistaken. I'm 80% sure. So yeah, you can do that probably down the road. Hank, if you want more than 100 hosted 100, 100 is 100 in Romanian. If we want more than 100 hosted sites on the agency plan, what are the options and pricing for adding more? If you want more, look, 100 websites for an agency. I know I have friends that own agencies, and I'm a bit connected here in this space. And 100 websites, 100 clients. I wish you 100 clients because this is no small agency, right? That has 100 clients. But if you go past that, it's very simple. You just either purchase another agency plan and add another 100 websites there, or you can go with a freelancer plan, for example, that has only 20 websites if you want to go step by step. But this is an option. You just purchase another plan basically to add more websites to your white label. Shane, do you think you will ever offer project level duplication to speed up building project and approximate for the cloning feature? Yes, we will offer that. And as I've told a bit earlier, Shane, we'll offer it as part of a complete package in the sense that we want to build that project duplication functionality. And a lot of you ask us across time, when is this coming? When is this coming? Duplication, it seems that is easy, but it's a bit more complex than it looks. There are all sorts of integrations, links, media file, and things that are pose all sorts of questions. We have this on the list. We'll do it, and we'll do not only the duplication or the cloning. We'll do that. Starts from this project kind of functionality. Mohammed, if we need more than 100 websites, then we should be pricing on more sites, and then should be pricing on more sites to add in. Yes, Mohammed, I think I've answered this already. You get another agency plan, or you get a freelancer plan, or if you want to add one single website, you get a personal plan, and it will be added. It will be added in your white label account. Jerry, can you make a website and have the client review and make comments? Jerry, this is a great question, and it is a great question because we have a collaboration tool that is coming. Actually, my colleague Bogdan just tested it again, the beta version, a couple of days back, and it's very cool thing. You can jump from let's say you are editing a page in the builder, and you have a nice button there in the sidebar, and if you click it, you'll jump into the collaboration tool, and you can add comments and you can solve them, and it's a very nice and interactive tool that will be nicely linked with your team members, so your team members will get notifications. It will be very cool. I get ahead of myself because I know what's there, and it's very cool. You'll like it, and it plays great with an agency and with working in teams. Let me see. Terry, is there a mobile app could be using to connect to their blog, for example? Is there a mobile app prepared in the background that clients could be using to connect to their blog, for example? No, there is not. we are planning. I can't talk more about this because it's not for near in the future. It still needs some time. We are planning those APIs, developer APIs, third-party APIs for Brizy Cloud as well. And we've also actually my colleague Bogdan already designed the interface, so it will get done at some point. We want to have apps in Brizy Cloud, so with access to those APIs, we'll be able to create an app like that, I presume. So I think that is app territory, plugin territory, let's call it. Sam, if you decide to go agency, will you lose the unlimited hosted sites on custom domain from the lifetime users who are locked in the pro recurring plan? You will not lose anything. So no matter what plans you have right now in your account, I would advise you to keep them if you can, because those are grandfathered plans that come from our unlimited days. So basically, you have websites, unlimited websites on those plans. But the agency plan will, I've told you earlier a bit, and I'll say it again, the agency plan will be installed on a new account, on a new empty account that will be white label, and you will not lose anything from your unlimited plans. Frank, will you be able to access the block and layout library across workspaces and projects? Yes, you will be able to do that. Robert, can we use your knowledge-based documents on our Reseller website? Copy-paste. Robert, you can use it. Yes, you can use any material from our website, videos, anything you want from our documentation. Of course, as I've told you a bit earlier, we'll also work on written documentation, white label for Brizy Cloud. It will be 60 or something like this articles that we'll give to you. You'll have access to them as part of your agency plan purchase, and you can use those to create a comprehensive documentation for your white label website builder. I'll try this name, but I am afraid I'll butcher it. Frangikos. Are you going to offer APIs for articles in order to be able to create and edit articles programmatically via API? We are creating that white label documentation, but I'm not sure we'll need to go that far, right? We'll have those documentation, and we can just put them in a zip and give them access to from your account to download them, right? And you'll be able to install them or put them and create your documentation in what system you want, Intercom, WordPress, Brizy, whatever. So basically, you'll be able to create your documentation as the way you want. Mav Media, is the agency thing is included in lifetime license? Is the agency thing? The agency thing is a plan, a new plan that we've introduced, and is not included in the lifetime license. Mass media, you'll need to purchase it to get access to the white label the options in Brizy Cloud. And let's take one last question. Azish, our prospective customers can sign up on the platform for a trial or paid plans. Yes, for sure. Yeah, they can sign up. White label everything, so basically they'll create accounts, receive notifications from the builder, from the system, with your emails, everything white label. A lot of questions tonight. We're pushing. We have 68 minutes. That's cool. Let me start my presentation again. The showcase, we had the showcase. I'll move on. Before I go, I want to present to you the two offers, deals we have right now for the agency cloud white label plan. And these are important. The first one is a limited time offer. This is an introductory price. So basically, this offer will go away I think in a month or so. You can go on our website. We have a counter there. This discount is 25% off recurringly. So basically, 25% every year going forward, as long as you stay subscribed. The regular price is $4.99 in US dollars, and this discounted price is $3.79. I think it's a great discount, and if you are working with clients, if you are a designer or a web agency, a developer, and want to present that professional tool, white label with your branding, I think this might be something you would be interested in, especially with this nice 25% discount. Go on our website and see what this is all about. And the second deal, and this is the big discount for our only our lifetime deal customers. If you are one of our customers, I want to thank you for all your support along the years and all your patience with us and with Brizy. Brizy came a long way. We thank you for your support and for your investment, basically. And for our lifetime customers, we offer 40% every year on this agency white label plan. So basically, you'll pay 40% less each year. The regular price again is $4.99, but you'll pay $2.99 each year. As you can see, I didn't put the limited time offer ribbon here. This will not be indefinitely. It will be limited at some point. We are discussing to end this promotion sometime next year. There is plenty of time for you to get it. If you want to get it, there is plenty of time. This can be claimed only from your account. If you purchase it from the Brizy pricing page, you'll pay only 25% less. Go to your account. If you have a lifetime plan in there, you'll see a button that will let you get this 40% off. I should mention here that for both deals, there is an option to pay monthly. So you are not forced to pay $2.99 up front. You can pay, I think it's $29, if I'm not mistaken, $29 per month. So there are monthly payment options as well. Well, this was it. I thank you guys for your time tonight. Again, this is my email, dimi@brizy.io. You can email me with any question or with any suggestion, with any partnership, with anything you like related to Brizy, and maybe not only related to Brizy, only if you want to just say hi. Guys, have a great night. I'll see you next week, maybe. We are starting a Brizy Academy. We're putting it together right now. We have some partnerships we are doing with Paul from WP Toots, and a lot of things are happening in the next period. So stay with us. Great things ahead. Bye.